Elmore, Ohio, located along the Portage River, is where we begin our ride on the North Coast Inland Trail, a pleasant 5-mile trip to the town of Lindsey. At Walter Ory Park, you'll find excellent facilities and easy trail access. The trail follows the former Toledo, Norwalk, and Cleveland Railroad, which was originally developed in 1852. Eventually, the North Coast Inland Trail is planned to span the entire length of Ohio, though several sections are still being completed. This 28-mile segment has been completed between Elmore and Bellevue. The Greater Elmore Area Historical Society has restored the old depot, which now serves as a museum. Nearby is the Stauffer Log Cabin, built in the 1860s. As you leave town, you'll pass the Sugar Creek Golf Course. The 1,444-mile Buckeye Trail also uses this route as it loops around the state of Ohio. A short quarter-mile section of the trail was closed, so a detour using Township Road 74 and County Road 147 has been required due to construction along the Ohio Turnpike. We spotted some wildlife along the way. The trail is part of Ohio's 272-mile segment of the U.S. Route 30 bike trail, running from Conneaut to Toledo. This portion of the route is maintained by the Sandusky County Park District. The trail is flat, smooth, and easy to ride, passing through wooded stretches as well as open scenic vistas. This is the peaceful village of Lindsey, with a population last reported at 457. The beautiful tree-lined Wendell Miller Park offers additional facilities and makes a great rest stop. On our return to Elmore, we couldn't resist stopping for some ice cream. On to the next trail. Thank you for watching.